McClintock Enterprises is a systems integrator. We specialize in manufacturers. 100% of our customers are manufacturing something, and Maverick is doing a great job as far as they do multiple labels for us. My challenge to Joe is to call him up and say, hey, here's the opportunity. What do you think you can do? And so far, we're hitting 1,000 as far as I bring him an opportunity and he comes up with a solution for it. And I'm happy to say so far 100% of the deliveries have been into New England, different states within New England. But as far as when I'm having a discussion with the people at Maverick Label, as far as this is what we need, this is when we need it, how can we get this done? They always come up with a solution. And I also do a follow-up with my customers because in some cases, this will be a new source for labeling, and I want to make sure that the quality is there. And I have had zero issues from customers who have received any of the material from Maverick Label. So the quality, the value is absolutely there.